I can connect that to a drill. Should I do that? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so hey guys, today I'm going to fix one of the big problems before I go to Hong Kong. Is my blocked sink. It's being an absolute fucking bitch. It's fucking blocked up. Absolutely blocked up. You can see the bucket there I've used to collect stuff, and it's been really fucked. And I think too much rice, too much shit I've put down there. Believe it or not, nothing else is blocked. It's just from here to the outside. So, you know, it's only a couple of meters, and then it goes into, I'll show you outside. Very luckily, I've got a vent here, which that's where the stuff goes into. So, let's begin this task of unblocking this fucker. So a couple tools I've got here. I got a plunger. Every plumber needs a plunger. And I've also got a snake. It's a manual snake. So let's get this bastard out. Did you get me a flathead screwdriver, please? Well, no, what happened is, no, you don't understand.
Hi guys, this is Glenn from Regal. How you doing this morning? I got a couple of ideas that might interest you. We import truck tires from Asia. We sell 1124s, 1122s, $150 in a container load, of course, in a container load. Shipping is free. If you've ever thought of reselling truck tires, you can kind of, if whatever city you're in, people need truck tires, you could buy one container and resell it and make yourself some passive income. I can say if you're a maker doing it, if you want, but the average guy that resells for us makes around $15,000 to $18,000 on one container, and you can normally sell a container in 2-3 weeks. The other thing is, if you need less than container load, like 8 tires, 10 tires, you can go to our websites. www.newtrucktirestoyourdoor.com, www.newtrucktirestoyourdoor.com, and you can just place your order there. We would like to get more resellers in the United States, so if you're interested, it's a great way to make a living. But as I say, the disclaimer is I can't say what you're going to do. That's up to you, whatever effort you put in. But we do assist with advertising. We do help, and we care about our customers, and we care about you being successful. Of course, not everybody resells. They buy tires for their fleets and save a lot of money. But on the website, all the prices are there. You're welcome to just browse through it and look at it. And if you have any questions, call me. My number is 602-513-9896. Call me anytime. You're very welcome. I don't care what time of day or night it is. You're welcome to call me anytime. So Glenn is my name. So remember that. And if you need anything, give me a call. Thanks.
I'm only signing it because it costs nothing. So this is the congratulations to everybody.
Okay, that's the answer. I am. Okay, you know what happened was, you people there, my Japanese booking, you cancel it the day before. Very beautiful, very nice stuff, you know, very nice stuff. You cancel the booking, and then what you do is you give me a $1,300 travel credit. Okay, fair enough, okay, that's good, right? Now, yeah, that's right, that's because you asked it up. That's because it's called good customer service. Because if you didn't give me the travel credit, I'd be angry. Okay? Angry. So you gave me a credit, and I foolishly didn't read your fine print, which said that it's a one-use only. You can only use this voucher once. So I went to Sydney. I stayed at a cheap place. Cheap and nasty place. I stayed there. It was $150 because I'm frugal. I'm a frugal guy. And then I wanted to book some accommodation for my family. And guess what? My voucher's no longer there. Now, that's my mistake. I made a mistake, sure. I'm asking you to fix it up. I'm asking you to give me my $1,000, whatever's left of my voucher back. And that's what I'm asking you guys to do. I made a mistake. I forgave you when you cancelled my booking at the last damn minute. Okay, I forgave you guys, right? But I made a small mistake, and I want you to fix it up for me, and you read me the Riot Act. You tell me these rules and regulations. Well, that's not acceptable. That is not acceptable. I'm a YouTube influencer. I got 50 million views, right? 50 million views. And I'm going to scream my ass off on YouTube saying, Airbnb disaster. Airbnb disaster. So you go and tell your execs in America, when they ask you, why did this guy get so angry? You can tell them, okay? You can tell them. That's what you can do, okay? You can tell them why he got so angry. Because he rang you people up and you people acted like jerks. Okay? That's what happened. That's what happened. So I want you to fix it up now. I want it fixed up now. Now. That's why I want it fixed up now. Not tomorrow. I don't need it passed around. I want it fixed up now. Okay? That's what I want. Yeah. I want my $900 credit back so I can book, well, whatever it is, and I want it fixed up now. Okay? That's what has to be done. I shouldn't have to get angry, aggressive, to try and get my money back. I made a mistake. I forgave you when you stuffed up the Japanese thing. Ah, that's okay. No problems. Well, sunshine, it's a two-way street. Customer service is a two-way street. And I'm asking you for help now.